Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is November 13th, 2020. It's my brother's birthday today. Happy birthday, Dave. When we come back, I want to break down today mortgage rates. And, I just YouTubed and just checked out, mortgage rates explained. I've been doing this for 32 years and it's confusing. And half the people that are trying to teach you things about this, they go in way in depth. They're not mortgage people. So I want to go over that with you. And when you're looking for a mortgage, what should we be looking for? And maybe we're looking at it too in detail. Let's just make it simple. Do the KISS system. We'll be right back. Let's break this mortgage process down into its simplest form. If you need a mortgage, what are you looking for? Well, you're looking for money. Let's get that money as cheap as we can. That's the bottom line that you're looking for. I just did a video recently that goes over the loan estimate. It's basically, I'll put the post of the video down below. And we go over a loan estimate, but you're looking for the lowest rate with the lowest amount of fees. I just did a Google or a search on YouTube, and there's a ton of people in there putting in, breaking down the mortgage rates. Is it better to go to a bank or a broker or do this? And here's a trick how to negotiate it. And here's this trick and dig into this and all this other stuff. Half these, probably 80% of these people aren't even in the mortgage business. They do this to kind of it's clickbait. They make some money there. Then they'll try to sell you a credit repair company thing and make money off of that and other things. So that's what prompted the video today. And I'll go over rates. I'm going to post another video in just a little bit going over the rate update for today. But today I just want to talk about if you need a mortgage, what do you do? Let's break it down in its simplest forms. First, don't drive yourselves absolutely bonkers and try to call 50 different places and get 50 different quotes. You're going to get a headache. Your head's going to explode. The next thing is you don't want all those companies pulling your credit. However, to give you an accurate quote, we got to pull your credit. That's one of the biggest pieces of this puzzle. The one thing I highly advise people not to do is don't go to like bankrate.com or LendingTree or those companies, because all they do is you plug in your data and they sell those off to 10 places, and you're just going to have people just pounding you on the phone. And it's going to, unless you have a full-time, you don't have a full-time job and you just want to make finding a mortgage your full-time job, I would highly suggest you not do that. Call 2 or 3 places and get respectable quotes. Okay, so now you get those 3 quotes. Now what are we looking for? Okay, first of all, the rate. Okay, then the next thing is the fees. Those are the 2 biggest things. But where people get kind of thrown a curveball is the fees. Because let's say, for example, here's a simple breakdown of the fees. It's the lender fees, and then the legal fees, and then the bottom line. Okay, the lender fees are a lot of times underwriting, processing, doc prep, all this other stuff. That's that part of the lender fees. So there's actually going to be 3 components. The lender fees, and then what you have to do to get a mortgage, basically anywhere, and then the legal fees. So the lender fees are that, processing, underwriting, doc prep, all that. And most of the time that's adds to our profit margins, okay? The next one is appraisal, title, credit report fee, flood certs, and tax lookups, or tax, we call it tax certs. Those are true fees that you need. In probably 90% of the time when you get a mortgage, you need an appraisal, okay? Appraisal is going to run you $450, $500. Anywhere in the country you go, that's what it's going to be. The credit report fee is going to be $30. The flood cert fee is going to be $20. All those fees. That's a concrete number. That's hard to shop there because you might be in the tune of maybe $50 total differences. Then there's the legal fees, and that's what we call your title insurance. It's not homeowners insurance. It's basically insuring me and you that when I do your mortgage, I am the only lien holder of your home. We're paying off all other liens. Your taxes are current. Nothing else we can worry about going from the day we close going forward, that you have the one lien, that's me, and that's it. You don't have to worry about the past, okay? So what you want to really focus on is the lender fees. And I see them range from, let me add one more thing. Many times people are they're shoving in points. The lender's shoving in points. They're wowing you with this rate, but then they're adding a point. I normally see about a 1% average on all the loan estimates I get on a daily basis. They're charging people 1% in points. So 1% is 1 point is 1% of the loan amount. So if you're getting a $200,000 loan, the point is $2,000. Plus, the lender probably has another $1,800, $1,500 to $2,000 in lender fees. So you're talking $4,000 in those costs. That's normal. What I always ask people to do is send me your loan estimate, send me your fee sheet. I got, so far today, I've gotten 4, and we've beaten everybody on every one of them. Here's what has come back. Today's quote was, they sent me a quote in. They were getting 29.99 with $3,800 in fees. Okay, I came back and I was at 2.75 with $895 in fees. Okay, I wrote over it in red pen and I sent it back to him, and I usually do that in video form so I can walk you through those numbers. So again, when you're looking for a mortgage, get a loan estimate or a fee sheet. Look at the loan amount, the rate, and your costs. Don't look at prepaid items and escrow, because it doesn't matter where you go, those numbers are going to be exactly the same. If you close with me on December 8th and you close with any other lender on December 8th, your prepaids and your escrow setup is going to be to the penny the same. The only thing that's going to change is the lender fees, those services fees, which is the appraisal and the credit report and such, and the title fees. Again, the title fees are pretty much, they call it by the book. The title fees are basically the same almost anywhere you go. And again, it might vary within $100. The appraisal fee and all the concrete fees are going to range maybe by $50. But it's that section A, page 2 of your loan estimate that goes over lender fees. That's what you want to watch. So just giving you a heads up, because I was going through YouTube, like I said, and I see all these videos with thousands and thousands and thousands of views, and I watch it and I'm like, what are they talking about? But they got a lot of clicks, they're making some money, and they're trying to sell you some other services. So I hope this was informative to you. So I'll be posting. I just had to get that kind of off my chest because too many people are just getting ripped off. So I'm going to post my rate update here probably within the hour. So hope you got some information out of this, learned a little bit. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. I try to make them, the titles is as well informed to you as I can, so it's not clickbait. And that's it. So have a great day. Have a great weekend, guys. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.